Hello my dear students, welcome to my physics class. Our today's topic is diagnostic instrument X-ray. Let's start now. Before starting our today's topic, at first I will discuss about biophysics. What is biophysics? We know biology tries to understand the diversity of the living world and the process through which living things lead their lives. And on the other hand, physics mathematically explains the laws followed by the physical world of nature. Now, a relation has been established between biology and physics. This new field of science is biophysics. Biophysics can identify the arrangement of atoms and molecules in DNA or protein. It can invent cancer treatments or artificial kidneys using technology. Now, human body and machine. This is human body. The human body cannot be called a machine. This human body cannot be called a machine because a complete human being is created from just a single cell. That is, from just a single cell, a complete human being is created. There is no machine in this world that starts from a small unit and then transforms into a complete machine on its own. Therefore, we cannot say the human body a machine, because a complete human being is created from just a single cell, but there is no machine in this world that starts from a small unit and then transforms into a complete machine on its own like human body. If any malfunction arises within the body, an automatic repair mechanism gets initiated, but no machine can do it. So, human body is more complex than any complex machine. To describe the function of different organs of the body, we often compare the human body with machines. Diagnostic instruments. We know by the diagnostic instrument we can identify disease of human body. There was a time when doctors used to identify disease just by analyzing different symptoms. That is, by analyzing different symptoms of disease, doctors used to identify diseases. Disease could not be identified properly by assumption, but now, with the help of modern machines, not only different diseases can be identified accurately, but also treatment can be done effectively. That is, with the help of modern machines, nowadays, not only different diseases can be identified accurately. That is, we can identify disease accurately, and also treatment can be done effectively with the help of modern machines. X-ray. In 1885, William Roentgen discovered X-ray. X-ray is an electromagnetic waves of very small wavelength like visible light. Visible light is also electromagnetic wave, and X-ray is also electromagnetic wave, but its wavelength is very small. Its energy is very high compared to the ordinary visible light. X-ray is produced as shown in figure below. Here, how X-ray is produced is described in this figure. Here there is a glass tube, and on the two sides of this glass tube there is cathode and anode. The cathode filament is made of tungsten, and a very high voltage is applied between anode and cathode. In the X-ray tube, the voltage is nearly 100,000 volt. When high electricity is passed through the cathode filament, the cathode is heated and electrons are released. These high energetic electrons moves toward the anode. More the voltage between anode and cathode, more the energy of the released electrons from the cathode. These high energetic electrons hit the anode and X-ray is produced from the anode. Due to these energetic electrons, the electrons of the inner shells of the atoms of the anode comes out of the orbit. Then an electron from the outer shell occupies this empty space. Thus the residual energy of the electron is released as an energetic X-ray. The wavelength of the emitted X-ray depends on metal used in anode. So this is the mechanism of production of X-ray. That is, high voltage is applied between anode and cathode. Due to this high voltage, when high electricity is passed through the filament of the cathode, then this filaments is heated and electrons from the filament are released. These high energetic electrons strike the anode, and from the anode X-ray, high energetic X-ray is produced. This is the mechanism of production of X-ray. Here X-ray image is taken. X-ray image of hand is taken. Here X-ray, and here object. X-ray is passed through the hand, and by this X-ray the image is taken. And in the second figure, the X-ray image of palm is taken. Now the uses of X-ray. Dislocated bones, cracking bones, fractured bones can easily be identified using X-ray. To diagnose cavity of teeth and other decay, X-ray is used. Taking X-ray image of the abdomen, intestinal obstruction can be detected. Existence of gallbladder stone can be detected by X-ray. Taking X-ray image of the chest, tuberculosis, pneumonia, lung cancer can be detected. X-ray can destroy cancer cells, so it is used in radiotherapy.